Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiples. The word multiples has a close connection with multiplication. To find the multiples of any given number, we multiply the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Example 1. Find the first 4 multiples of 3. The solution: the first 4 multiples of 3 are 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So the first 4 multiples are 3, 6, 9, and 12. Example 2. Find the multiples of 6 that are between 20 and 50. Solution: 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, and 6 eights are 48. So these multiples are between 20 and 50, and there are 5 of them. Example 3. Find all the multiples of 7 which are less than 45. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, and 7 sixes are 42. So the multiples are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. And they are all the ones which are less than 45. Example 4. List all the multiples of 8 which are less than or equal to 40. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and 8 fives are 40. And here they are. There are 5 of them, and they are all less than or equal to 40. Example 5. Write down the first 6 multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. The 3 times tables. Which of the above are also multiples of 2? So the multiples of 2 from the above are 6, 12, and 18, and they are all the even numbers. Example 6. Add the first 4 multiples of 3 to the first 4 multiples of 5. Here are the first 4 multiples of 3. Here are the first 4 multiples of 5. So when you add the multiples of 3 up, you get 30. When you add the multiples of 5 up, you get 50. And to find the sum, of course add means you have to add them all up, 50 plus 30 is 80, and that's the answer. So what did you notice with respect to multiples? Yes, here we go again, at the risk of being boring. This is a very, very easy topic if you know your times tables. So please practice your times tables, and most of your mathematics will be very straightforward.